Hello, this is George. Welcome back to George Basic Crypto channel. In today's video, I will talk about Zombie Inu. I will teach you how to buy Zombie Inu on Gate.io with very low fees, without gas fees, and also I will check the market and talk about the price of Zombie Inu. So watch the video until the end. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's reach 4,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And also I want to remind you that this video has entertaining purpose and it's just my opinion. When things goes to crypto, you should always remember that crypto is highly regulated and there are some risks of losing your money. So before you decide to put your money into crypto, please do your own research and be careful. So first of all, to buy Zombie Inu, you need to have Gate.io account. If you don't have Gate.io account, you can find the link in the description of this video and go to the link. There are some bonuses for new users. Let's check. Welcome to Gate.io. New user registration, complete beginner tasks, claim $100 Gate.io points, trade and claim 5,500 worth of USDTs, stable and reliable since 2013. Top ranking, trustworthy, transparent. Provides more than 1,000 currencies digital trading assets. Fill all of the gaps with your personal information and sign up on Gate.io. After you finish the registration process, then log into your account, and the next thing we need to do is buy USDT, because to buy Zombie Inu, we need to swap USDT to it. So first of all, go to buy crypto, choose one of these options, for example, credit card. In the right gap, you should enter USDT, and in the left gap, you should enter the amount of money you are going to pay. The minimum payment is 30 USD. Here are the service providers. I prefer to choose BankSub because they have lower fees. At the moment, for example, if you are going to pay 30 USD, you will receive 28.28 USDT, and the fees are only 60 cents. Check this and go to purchase. If everything is correct, click create an order and then finalize your payment. After you will finalize your payment, then you can check your wallet. Go to wallet in the top right corner and click spot account. And here you will find out your USDT balance. And now everything is ready to buy Zombie Inu. To buy Zombie Inu, you should go to trade and spot trading. In the search bar, type Zinu. And here in this gap, you should enter the amount of USDT you are going to pay. And these are the amount of Zombie Inu tokens you will receive. Then you should click buy and click confirm order. After you will buy Zombie Inu token, to check your balance, go to wallet, go to spot account, and here you'll find out your Zombie Inu wallet. So we bought Zombie Inu without gas fees, with very low fees. And now let's check their roadmap. They have a very interesting roadmap. At the moment, Zombie Inu has got more than 25,000 holders, and there are some interesting utilities in their roadmap. For example, Zinu wallet, which they are going to make. Also, there is play to earn game. They are going to reach 1 billion market cap. So this project has got a lot of utilities. At the moment, this is the situation. We are here after this higher high. The price went down after this dump. Price consolidated. I think that the price will go up in next few weeks because huge things are incoming. And also I think that Zombie Inu has got potential to have another high highs and all-time high. So that's all I wanted to tell you about Zombie Inu. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking like button, thank you for subscribing. I suggest you to continue using Gate.io, especially if you're a beginner. It's very simple to start trading on Gate.io. So that's all I want to tell you. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking like button, thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.